banta, kundi isang plano talaga. So may plano.
Yun po ang base sa mismong pahayag ng ating pong Vice Presidente na siya ay may kinausap at yung kinausap niya ay pumayag para patayin po ang mga taong nabanggit. Para sa akin po, this is actually a public confession na dahil sa sinabi niyang ito, nalagay po sa alanganin hindi lamang po ang seguridad ng Presidente, kundi po ang ating pambansang seguridad.
Sino ang kaplano niya? Kung magpaplano, obviously may kasama siya sa pagpaplano. Sino na ang natukoy ng NBI na kasama sa pagpaplano?
Yan na po yung binabanggit namin na persons of interest based on the open source intel and the human intel po na ibinabato po sa amin, na yan po ay reported po sa atin ng ating pong task force na itinayo po.
Itong persons of interest kasama sa pagpaplano at inamin sa inyo na mayroong pagpaplanong ginagawa para pumatay.
Meron po silang impormasyon na magtuturo po dito sa pagpaplanong ito
Hindi
po.
sila yung kasama sa pagpaplanong pumatay.
Sa ngayon po,
Magtuturo lang sila.
doon po sa iba persons of interest, meron po kaming kinukonsidera doon na maaaring siya po ang kausap mismo ng Vice
And anong
Presidente.
ebidensya ang magpapatunay na kasama siya sa pagpaplano o kaya niyang ituro yung pagpaplano?
Yan po ang ating kukunin na impormasyon pa sa ating pong mga persons of interest, na ating pong sinusurveillance. Katunayan po, as we speak, tuloy-tuloy po yung ating pakikipag-usap. Pati po doon sa mga malalapit sa taong aking pong binabanggit.
Okay, so tuloy-tuloy pa ngayon ang inyong investigation.
Tama po.
Ngayon nakita ko na bumuo kayo ng task force. No? At task force, temporary in nature lang yan, di ba? Kailan matatapos ang inyong investigasyon? Dahil nga nasabi ko 1 year and 8 months na ito, ngayon may bagong task force. So kailan matatapos itong investigation?
Ito po ay matatapos finally pag atin pong na-locate specifically ang taong kausap ng Vice Presidente. At yun naman pong task force, bukod po sa seguridad ng Presidente, we are also guarding po na walang gulo, na yung pong mga destabilization ay atin din po
Hindi,
mabantayan.
pero kailan matatapos yung investigation para matukoy kung sino yung nakontrata?
Only in the time po na atin pong matukoy na finally yung ating pong...
Kailan ngayon? Do you have a time frame?
I cannot-
Base doon sa pag-uusap nyo dito sa persons of interest nyo. Kailan? Kasi like I said, no, November of 2024 to, may bagong task force ngayon. But in your opinion, no, gusto ko kasi malaman, malapit na ba o malayo pa?
I cannot give the exact time, but the task force was established on April 16 and it's doing a great progress po. So sa palagay ko po, malapit na rin natin itong mahanap itong taong ating po.
Can you give me an explanation on yung great, quote-unquote, great progress?
Marami pong report na pumasok po sa atin at may mga pangalan po talaga na-identify natin pong pinupuntahan po.
And can you give me a time frame kung within 3 months, 6 months, matutukoy na itong kakontrata?
As
Can
we
you
look
give me a
at
time frame? An indicative time frame?
as we go on to the progress, probably po within the 3 to 6 months magkakaroon po tayo
Magkakaroon,
mas malinaw po na data tungkol po dito.
But in 3 to 6 months, matutukoy na natin yung kakontrata.
Yun po ang ating inaasahan.
Okay. In the meantime, nasabi nyo kanina na mayroong kinetic force. No? Ito, ina-assume ko na may nai-impluwensyahan. Diba? Sino na ho ang nakausap nyo na na-impluwensyahan tungkol dito sa mga sinasabi ng Vice President at yung iba pa?
May mga ilan na po kaming pinuntahan at katunayan may ilan na po kaming sinampahan na rin ng mga kaso at yung pong mga nagbanta through social media ay atin na rin pong nakausap. At yung iba naman po ay sa ngayon ay kasalukuyang humaharap po sa investigasyon po.
So, last question. So itong dahil sa kanilang pananalita, nagkaroon ng kinetic force at na-influensyahan ito. At base sa inyong, paano niyo nasabi na influensyahan itong mga taong ito?
Kagaya po nung aming mga nakausap, malinaw din po that they're always targeting the head of the president. May correlate po natin doon sa statement mismo ng mayor at ng ating pong vice presidente po.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Thank you, Mr. Senate President. Will Senator Judge Allen make an interjection or will he make a manifestation regarding another matter? Then the presiding officer will first recognize Senator Judge Aquino for his interjections and interventions. You may proceed, sir, when you're ready. You have 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Very quickly lang, Director Matibag. Kapag sinasabi kasing bukas pa ang isang investigasyon, posibleng meron, posibleng wala, di ba? Pero ito po, just one question. Sa inyo pong professional assessment, anong porsyento, what percentage is the probability na meron ngang nakausap na tao ang Vice Presidente para gawin yung mga pagpatay sa inyo pong assessment? Hindi nyo pa po masasabi, may kailangan pa kayong ilang buwan, pero sa inyong assessment po ba, anong porsyento po na meron talagang nakausap ang Vice President?
Base po mismo sa pahayag ng Vice Presidente, nakasisiguro po na mayroong kinausap.
Anong percentage po? 70%?
100% po, sapagkat siya na mismo ang nagsabi ng kanyang plano na siya may kinausap ng papatay at pumayag yung papatay sa kanilang pag-uusap.
Okay, maraming salamat, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Senator Judge Cayetano Alan is recognized for his interjections.
Before that, on the same point of Senator Bam, may I just manifest that I have submitted, Presiding Officer, Mr. Senate President, written continuing objection to the ruling on the Presiding Officer dated 20 July 2026 on the subpoena. But according to the journal service, it will not be included in the journal. May I move that it be included in the records? In the records, whatever is more convenient for everyone.
It will definitely be in the record and transcript, Your Honor. We will see what we can do about the journal. Can we get back to you?
Yes.
Because there's a technical difficulty. I
We were
believe.
just under the impression na until today. That's why hinabol ko ng 531, then nilagay ko na lang possible supplemental. But whatever is more convenient for the
Then
clerk of court.
the chair will entertain a motion to reconsider the approval of the journal earlier so that we can include this in the journal, then approve it. If you would like to make that motion, Your Honor.
Well, may I move that we reconsider approval of journal just so that we can include what we agreed on yesterday, which is the written objection.
There is a motion to reconsider the approval of the journal of yesterday, July 20, 2026, in order to include as part of the journal the written manifestation of Senator Judge Alan Cayetano, as we have done so with respect to Senator Judges Villanueva, Marcos, Go, Villar Camille, and Legarda. Absent any objections, the motion is approved. Journal is reconsidered. And the insertion of the manifestation of the Honorable Cayetano is so included, so ordered.
Thank you, dear colleagues.
Would you like to complete the process and move for the approval of the journal now?
We move the
Senator Judge
approval with the amendment, not an insertion.
The journal is approved as amended by inserting the manifestation of Senator Judge Alan Cayetano. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the same is approved. Sans the reading of the same.
Mr. Presiding Officer, just
Yes,
one
what is the
point.
pleasure
Just
of,
to make a
Senator
manifestation.
Judge Villanueva?
Yes, Mr. President. It's just, I just wanted to put on record that this representation is not objecting to the ruling of the chair yesterday, and that the only reason why I wanted to put into the records my manifestation with regard to the ruling of the chair, just to put on record. Thank you.
Duly noted. Senator Judge Cayetano may proceed with his interjections. He has 2 minutes. You may proceed, sir, when you're ready.
Good afternoon, Mr. Witness, Director, Attorney Matibag, schoolmate.
Good afternoon, sir, Your Honor.
Yeah, just on that point ni Senator Bam, I understand as a law enforcer, as an investigator, you have to take all threats seriously. I'll ask you the same questions I asked the two NBI officers, and I do understand they were not under your supervision during that time dahil dun pa sila kay Director Santiago. No? I won't ask all the questions, but you did review the whole video or just the portions relevant to the statement of the Vice President na no joke, yung November 23.
Your Honor, napanood ko po yung video, but you're correct, I focus mainly on the issue that is being
So
undertaken.
simple question, paano naging process kung anong parts ng video at ng statement niya ang paniniwalaan mo or ng task force? So it's not personal. I mean, if you were in the task force or as you said, you created the task force now at duty nyo yung safety ng high government officials, anong process nyo kung anong parts ng video ang paniniwalaan nyo at hindi? Ng statements niya, what I meant.
Well, ang ginawa po natin dyan, doon po mismo sa konteksto ng kanyang sinabi na humanap siya ng papatay at inutos niya na papatayin ang tatlong individual at yun po ay pumayag yung papatay at sinabi pa niya no joke, doon pa lamang po ay pong nakita yung pong ating hinahanap po na mga pwede niyang pananagutan po sa batas.
Well, as an appointee of this government, as a lawyer, as an NBI director, I see your point and I get that. But what I meant is that before that statement, sabi kasi niya, kung papatayin ako, I mean, the record will bear out naman yung eksaktong sinabi niya. No? So this is my paraphrase. But ang pagkaintindi ko sa sinabi niya, kung papatayin ako, eto yung tatlong papatayin mo. And ang impression ko, pinagbibintangan niya yung tatlo na may plot against her. So, yun ang tanong ko dun sa two previous NBI directors. If you're going to believe that she contracted or talked to, may kausap, no? Siya, if you're going to believe that may kausap siya at papapatay yung tatlo, will you not believe the previous nung sinabi niyang kung ako naman ang papatayin?
Hindi po ganon, sapagkat ang tinignan na nga po natin ay yung kanyang mismong pagbabanta. At sa amin po, sa ngayon, yung aking pong task force na nag-iimbestiga, ay malinaw po na ang tinitingnan ay kung ano na ang nangyari dahil doon sa pagbabanta. At sinasabi nga po namin, dahil po doon sa pagbabanta, ito po ay umabot na, doon na po sa level na ang national security nataya na po, na kompromiso na. Sapagkat marami na pong lumalabas, tuloy-tuloy na pagbabanta. So doon na po natin ito tinitingnan.
In the same video, she mentioned massive corruption. But wala pa dyan